क्या क्या इक़दामात कहाँ कहाँ से हो सकते हैं टू मेक अ डिफरेंस टू द सिचुएशन? नहीं तो जो एक जाइनिस्ट एक एजेंडा है, जैसे जन साहब कह रहे थे ग्रेटर इजराइल का, दैट इज गैलिपिंग अहेड। जन साहब, चीन पे आपने बड़ी कैटेगोरिकली कह दिया कि वहाँ से होगा कुछ तो ये फर्क पड़ेगा। अच्छा, ये जो ईरान की स्ट्रैटेजी है जहाँ उन्होंने यूएस बेसिस को अटैक किया, अच्छा यूएस बेसिस को अटैक किया, पहले भी उन्होंने कहा था करेंगे हम, तो टेक्निकली बेसिस तो उस मुल्क की टेरिटरी होती है ना जिसकी बेसिस होती है, इज इट करेक्ट?
नहीं, द टेरिटरी बिलोंग्स टू द स्टेट जिसके अंदर वो बेस है, ठीक है, उस बेस के अंदर वो रह रहे हैं। द सॉवरेनिटी ऑफ द स्टेट डजंट चेंज। If you have a base, let's say in Saudi Arabia, that does not mean that territory is the sovereign territory of the United States. No, it is the sovereign territory of Saudi Arabia. Likewise, the sovereign territory of Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain.
Got it. तो फिर what is ये जो strategy ईरान की थी कि यानी कि एक है ना कि chaos मचा दो, panic मचा दो?
No, it's not chaos. It is simple. They have options. They have 3-4 options. One, Israel attacks, so they attack Israel. They did not attack. देखिए, previously जब अमेरिका शामिल नहीं था, initially they only counter attacked on Israel. हाँ. Once the Americans got involved into it, obviously they have the right to attack the American bases.
They have a right.
So they have an absolute right to do that militarily, because those bases are military bases, and from where the attacks are coming on Iran, Iran has the right to self-defense, and they have the right to attack those bases.
So they've done the right thing.
So they have done the right thing, yes. They have done the right thing. But now the decision has to be made by the GCC. The Gulf countries will have to make a decision that how do they speak to the United States of America.
Well, they've condemned Iran.
Well, that's their choice, but I'm saying that why it has happened is happened because there's an attack. There is an attack that has taken place on Iran from these bases, and these are American bases. Condemnation of Iran is okay, but then what are they doing to prevent United States of America from attacking Iran?
What can they do?
Which I thought the Saudis and the others previously said that they will not support any such attack on Iran from United States or Israel. But now that has happened, now this is the time that they have to openly at least condemn this attack, and they will have to talk to the US that these bases will not be used, our territory will not be used for launching attacks on Iran. So that is a call that now the GCC countries will have to make.
Pakistan is clearly condemned. अच्छा, so for now I mean as we speak अभी तो हमें नहीं clear कि उधर से क्या response आ रहा है other than condemning Iran for attacking the bases. What are the other options Iran has?
Iran obviously has military options to start with. I'm sure that they are going to start exercising those options.
Already
they will start hitting now targets in Israel, as it seems.
As they are doing already.
Yeah, and they will start hitting targets, American targets in the Persian Gulf, as well as their bases in GCC or elsewhere from where they were the close bases from where.
So as a military commander.
And also very importantly, they also have an option to create a disruption in the Persian Gulf, sea lanes, and that's where a lot of oil and gas of the world moves out, and it has an impact on the rest of the world, which is not a very good idea for the Europeans and the Japanese and the Indians and for the rest of including us. It's not a good idea because it is going to really have a very severe impact on the global economy, not only the regional but the global economy. So that's again an option which naturally comes as we speak. I'm sure the entire airspace would have been
already it's been shut down.
So the effects would have already started coming in. आप देखिएगा in a couple of days, अभी देखिएगा आप stock exchanges आज ही देखिएगा किधर जाती हैं सारी दुनिया.
Already नीचे गए हुए थे because of the.
So you will start to see the effect of that. So but it will be very strange if the rest of the world, so called, if there is any integrity or dignity of law left, that they just keep quiet on Iran and let Iran just fight its own battle, because then it is going to happen to everybody around, one by one.
जी, हमने देखा in the case of Palestinian genocide, they hardly spoke. People came out in millions in European capitals, लेकिन European capitals में millions में है, लेकिन उसका कोई impact तो नहीं हुआ. तो अब सबसे बड़ा सवाल है कि ये जो गवर्नमेंट्स हैं ये कितना बोलेंगी. अगर वो कंडेम करेंगे यूएस को तो ईरान के फेवर में जाता है. आप रियलिस्टिकली देखते उनकी आपकी तो पोजीशन बड़ी क्लियर है, हमारी सबकी पोजीशन क्लियर है कि दिस इज ह्यूजली कंडेमनेबल हैज इज द गवर्नमेंट सेड ऑफ पाकिस्तान। आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है आने वाले 48 घंटों में?
The fight will go on जी, मेरा ख्याल है कि the Americans and the Israelis, because Americans have been dragged into this by Israelis, जो Greater Israel का concept है उसने अपनी shape लेनी है। People may deny it, people may run away from it, but they don't. Not the Israelis, not many in the West. They've openly started talking about it from ideological standpoint, from any other standpoint that you want to look at it. So ये तो अब चलेगा। It is going to be a fight of sorts.
Fight till the end.
जी, it is going to be a fight. जब तक वो इस regime को change नहीं कर लेते, जब तक ईरान की military capability को completely destroy नहीं कर लेते और उनकी nuclear capability को ख़त्म नहीं कर लेते, ये 3 objective उन्होंने achieve करने हैं, then obviously
कंट्रोल ईरान का ले लें। एसेंशियली देखें ना, ऐसे लोगों को बिठाएं, ये ख्वाब तो उनका ये ऑब्जेक्टिव है।
Essentially the regime change means that they want to have a regime of their own choosing, which means the Iranian military capability will have to be missile military capability will have to be taken down, and with that nuclear capability will go, and it will have a profound impact on the progress of Greater Israel.
और ये सब ब्रेक से पहले ये बताती चलूँ कि फ्लेचर में इन द लेट 80s 83 84 तो वहाँ जो लाइब्रेरी होती थी उसमें इजराइल डिफेंस फोर्सेस जर्नल होता था, तो हर तीसरे हफ्ते, एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी स्ट्रक, मैं आपको 84 85 की नहीं 86 के बाद 86 और 88 के दरम्यान मैं देखती थी, मैं कहती थी ये क्या, ये कह रहे होते थे इराक फोर्सेज अ थ्रेट, इराक फोर्सेज अ थ्रेट। तो दिस इज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 87 88, और देखें कितना ये चलते रहे विद दैट एजेंडा टू बेसिकली डिस्ट्रॉय इराक। उसके बाद ये वेल्सली क्लार्क थे, कौन थे जनरल, उन्होंने कहा था ना कि व्हाट डिड ही से कि 7 जो वॉर्स एंड प्लान हुए हैं, तो दे आर अकॉर्डिंग टू स्क्रिप्ट,
they are according to the script, have no doubt about it. Wellesley Clark said it, so many other people said it. So one by one Muslim countries, it is Iraq, it was Syria, it was Libya, it was Lebanon, it is Afghanistan. So all this is happened by a design.
By a design.
Whether that design succeeds or not, that's still to be seen. But that's happened by a design, and that design is to support eventually creation of the. I've said it too many times because this is so important for people to understand. This is what is the game going on.
This is the game. और जैसे
अब ये तुर्की से लेकर ना देखिए, अगर आपने impact create करना, then the Turks, the Pakistanis, the Saudis, everybody will have to come together and stand for the right thing. This is the time to stand for the right thing.
This is the time to stand for the right thing. और मी आप देखिएगा कि इजरायली जो हैं वॉर क्रिमिनल जेनोसाइडल प्रेसिडेंट, देखें वो क्या कहते रहे हैं पिछले 30 साल से कि अभी ईरान ने न्यूक्लियर वेपन लिया।